Hey, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que or Whiskey and Barbecue Meat. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today is cheesy bacon chicken breast. Be sure and stick around. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. So we have 5 chicken breasts here. We're gonna go ahead and hit these with Cosmo's Dry Rub, the Dirty Bird. And we'll give a pretty liberal application to these guys because chicken can take it. We want a lot of flavor at this thing. Flavor is the name of the game when you're talking about grilled chicken breast because it can be kind of bland if you don't do something to make it a lot better than what it would be in its natural state. And we want to go ahead and hit the other side. So this is a good meal for a weeknight. School's starting back up and you're looking for something that's inexpensive and quick. This fits that bill. Of course, you can use a gas grill to get this done quicker, but we're rolling with the Blaze Kamado today. We're gonna get a little smoke flavor on these guys. But if you're using a gas grill, obviously it'd take a lot less time. All right, folks, we got this Blaze Kamado here up to about 300. We're hoping it gets up about 310. That's really where I'd like to cook these chicken breasts. So we're just gonna lay them just right on top of the grate. No reason for a cooling rack or anything like that. We're looking to get to about 130 degrees. Let me move that over. That's when we're gonna hit it with some barbecue sauce. Ladies and gentlemen, I have made bacon. Homemade bacon from yours truly, Casks-n-Que, sticker to prove it. You know it's good. Open that right up. Let's dig in. We're gonna get a few pieces out of here. We're just gonna use it to crumble up. So we're gonna put it on the smoker right now, individual pieces, like that. And like I said, all we're using this for is to crumble up and put on the chicken. Cheese is gonna go over this. Remember, they're gonna be in little tiny bits. We're gonna get them good and crispy, and it's gonna be a great contrast to the grilled chicken. A little bit of crunch, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of heaven. You know how it goes. So we'll be back. All right, the chicken's looking mighty fine. Let's find some room for bacon. There's always room for bacon. Isn't that right? There we go. We'll be back. Okay, folks, so our chicken is sitting at about 145 internal. So this is the part where we go ahead and sauce these guys, these chicken breasts. We're gonna hit it with some of this Fire Dancer barbecue sauce. There we go. Let that go for another 15-20 minutes and we'll be back. All right, folks, that bacon's getting where we need it to be. Looking good and crispy. See what I did there? These chicken breasts are temping about 160. So what we need to do is transfer these guys into a skillet. And we're gonna do that and we're gonna be right back. So here we go. Let's get to work. That skillet is nice and greased up so nothing sticks. Next thing we're gonna do is hit it with some cheese. We're going in with a blend of cheddar and jack. And there's no reason to hold back right here. We're looking for some cheesy goodness. Yes, sir. That's what we want. Now keep in mind this skillet is not hot, but it will be after we get done with it. I'm not playing around with this cheese, I'm telling you. You want this stuff cheesy? At least I do. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. There we go. Spread that nice and even. And then back onto the cooker we go. And meanwhile, our bacon is cooking up. It's gonna be nice and crispy. So we have a spot right in the middle for this skillet. And we're just gonna let that heat up. Let that bacon get crispy and we'll be back. All right, folks, the time has come. Oh, bam. Yes. Oh, there's a piece of bacon I forgot. I'm sorry, little buddy. Now, what do we have here? We have cheesy goodness with rub barbecue sauce, bacon, and that bacon is gonna go on top of the cheese, and the cheese is on top of the chicken, and on top of the chicken is some awesome rub from Casks-n-Que, and we're gonna dig in. So what we need to do, hit it with some of that bacon. Yes, sir. Man, that bacon makes everything awesome. I mean, if something's not great, just put some bacon, some cheese on it, you're good to go. Cardboard, whatever, doesn't matter. Just kidding, don't do that. Bacon and cheese, are you kidding me? I'm telling you, if you don't think that looks good, then something's wrong with you. All right, ladies and gents, this is how I'm gonna get down. So, got a little fiesta salsa, just basically some pico de gallo. Oh, look, a little piece of bacon. All right, so you know I gotta go in for this big boy right here in the back. He's trying to hide, but you know the drill. So the next thing we're gonna do, like I mentioned earlier, is add a little bit of flair to this thing, a little extra pop, just some salsa right on top of it. Give it a little something extra, you know what I'm saying? That bacon tried to sneak off there, but we're not gonna let that happen. All right, and that's looking like the money. Like the bomb, let's go. Oh, it's tender as can be. So we want a bite that has some bacon, some cheese. Oh goodness, that cheese is good and caramelized on here. Man, I'm telling you, this is the way to go with chicken. Let's get some of that. Let's get some of that salsa on there too while we're at it. Oh my God, that's good. All right, guys, cook this. That's 4 or 5 chicken breasts. It's inexpensive, cheese, bacon, some salsa, and you're ready to go. Hey, if you like what we're doing here at Casks-n-Que, be sure and like, subscribe, and smash that bell, and we'll see you next time.